no getting around it, Steve Patterson. Doing laundry is a chore. At my house, there's a constant pile of clothes that need to be washed, and then even worse is the basket that sits at the top of the stairs. I think it's permanently glued there. The kids actually, on really bad days, dig through that to find their clothes because it never got folded. Away. I don't know what to tell you. This is the plight of my life right now.
There is a fourth-generation family-owned business in town that wants to make things easier. They say their wash club just might be the most popular thing that they have come up with in 81 years of business. Today, we're getting answers to some pressing laundry questions and a chance for you to win some serious laundry help from the team at Pilgrim Cleaners.
Derek, it is really nice to see you because we are talking about something that is constantly piling up at my house, which is laundry, the never-ending stream of laundry. Can you explain why children create so much laundry?
Yeah, I have 2 kids, and we could do 3-4 loads of laundry a day, and we're never caught up. The worst is, even when we clean it, it usually stays clean and unfolded until we wear it again. So we just don't have time in our day to fold our laundry. We'd rather be with our kids.
You guys over at Pilgrim, I know that taking care of people's laundry and making sure that their clothes and their items in their home are clean and crisp and then, you know, in beautiful shape to last for a long time, that's something so important to you.
We've celebrated 80 years last year, and, you know, it's a 3-generation family business. So I'm the 3rd generation. In the background, you might be able to see our 4th generation that's been in the office a few times. And, you know, we take pride in taking care of everyone's clothes, anything from their dirty gym shorts and laundry to their expensive suits and formal wear that they wear for special events, that we take pride in making sure those last as long as they can.
Since you are the expert, I'm glad, because the TCL team has a few burning questions for you, okay? So I hope you're ready. Are you feeling like you're in the hot seat? Does the seat feel physically hot that you're in?
I'm ready.
Okay, Derek, you're ready for the question. So our first one is coming from our reporter, Kristen Haubrick, and she wants to know about a substance that many parents need to survive. Take a look at this.
Okay, so I spilled coffee on my silk blouse and the symbols on the tag don't make a whole lot of sense. Does this need to be dry cleaned or what should I do?
Those care labels mean something. Maybe not to most people, but to us, we read those on every garment, and it tells us what to do with that garment, whether to dry clean it or machine wash it with stains such as coffee. You know, a lot of times it depends on the fabric of the garment, but we have professionals in our cleaning facilities that have been here 20 to 30 plus years that if anyone can get it out, they can.
Okay, Kelly's got another question about a big ticket item in our homes. Look at this.
I have a huge down comforter. How do I clean it?
Once again, we look at those care labels and we'll clean it. We can dry clean them, we can launder them. We have much larger machines than the average consumer does at home. And so they're gonna get more thoroughly cleaned, and many people clean them only once a season, if that. And there's a lot of, you know, dead skin cells and dust mites that get built up in those pillows and comforters. And so those household items that are touching your body every day, we should get those more than once a year so we can keep them looking the best they can for the longest they can.
You're totally right about the machines though, because I have tried to shove my king size down comforter into my washing machine and I'm thinking, how is this really working? This thing can't even move around in this machine.
Yeah, with your home washer and dryer, when you put big comforters or blankets in your home machine, usually you can hear it shaking from the other room because it doesn't have room within the drum of the washer to actually get a good wash cycle for that large garment. So we have washers and dryers large enough to professionally clean those items.
And make sure that it gets super dry. I mean, that's always creepy too, is like if it doesn't get fully dry in the down comforter or the pillow, then what's going on in there?
Absolutely.
Okay, good stuff. All right, our final question comes from Twin Cities Live co-host Steve Patterson. He has a lot of, this is a really pointed question, okay? And he just wants to get right to it. He's putting you on the spot. Take a look at this one.
Fun fact about me, I own a washer and dryer. See, that's them right there. So the question would be, why do I need Pilgrim to help clean my clothes when those machines usually offer to do it?
Convenience and time. Just because you can do your laundry doesn't mean you want to, and doesn't mean you have time to, especially now that it's starting to get nice out like it is today. We want to be outside. We've been inside for the last year plus. and we want to get outside, enjoy the lakes and the parks and family, and just enjoy the weather, not have to worry about being indoors on nights and weekends worrying about laundry. People were working from home and home a lot more, and even though they weren't wearing work clothes, they were wearing more clothes. And so we wanted people to have more time to do what they want. And so how it works is we can pick up and deliver for free, or you can use any of our 26 convenient locations, and we provide you a laundry bag, and it's back 3 business days later. And so you just fill the bag with our pickup and delivery service, you throw it right on your porch, it's 3 days later, back, clean, folded, and sorted for you to put away and ready to wear.
This has been really helpful, Derek.
Well, thank you very much.
Such a nice guy. I love these family-owned businesses.
81 years in business.
Where they pass it down from generation to generation. And he said that this wash club, these subscriptions are selling like hotcakes.
I bet they are.
People are loving it. He told me about one family. They have 7 kids, and each kid has their own bag.
Oh, my.
So that it all comes back, and they get their bag. And it has just taken that off their plate and outsourced it.
And you pay for the service, but what you get back in time and just taking something off of your mental load each week.
If you can make it happen, do it. You know what? We're going to give you the chance to take a break from your laundry. Pilgrim Dry Cleaners wants to give one of you a free 1-month subscription to their wash club. So that's going to take care of 4 bags of laundry, washed, dried, and folded for free. Plus, they're going to pick it up and drop it off too. Isn't this great? Go to TwinCitiesLive.com and click on contest to enter. They have locations all over the place.
And even if you don't win, but you would like to be a part of their wash club, I bet you would. You'll also get 10% off dry cleaning and laundering services as well, which includes cleaning those big comforters and preserving wedding gowns.
Nice. Still to come.